Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. We're going to show you a backup camera on Ford Transit. This is a brake light replacement camera. So we're replacing the factory brake light and putting a camera that will replace it there. That way you have the brake light, but you also have the camera on the highest position there. And in this case, we've installed a 7-inch screen. The customer wanted to have a screen that will work regardless of the reverse. So it's actually working as soon as the key is on. So we've installed our 7-inch screen in here. I'll put the key to on, and we're gonna have the image. As you can clearly see, the image is the angle of the camera is very good, very wide, and obviously very high. The advantage is on the high cameras that you can see far away from the vehicle. So you can see a bit of the doors in here, the close area to the vehicle. You can also see far away, which again, if somebody drive back and somebody comes over from far, you can see it ahead of time. Very wide angle, so we can see the side walls. We can see pretty much looks like a fisheye camera. For backup camera for transit and other vehicles, you can always find us at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.